Hi, this is Jody Resendez with Sullivan's, here to walk you through Cabin Christmas. Cabin historically does well for us, and this time we have done a new iteration where it's a little bit lighter, a little bit more modern. The tabletop in Cabin Christmas features deer, fox, bunnies, and traditional cardinals. It is embossed onto a speckled finished ceramic, which gives it that very modern feel. The pattern is exclusive to Sullivan's. They're traditional Santa figures, but also with the woodland animals around, and then some without. These are great size, and again, very traditional, but a little bit more modern, a little bit more clean. The ornaments in Cabin Christmas feature exclusive patterns on metal, as well as glass and other resin figures and traditional icons like deer and Santa. The real star of the tree in Cabin Christmas, I think, is the ribbon. This particular one is double-sided, so you have plaid on one side and then a scene with deer on the other side, and it makes for the perfect way to tuck into a tree or into a wreath. There's so much tabletop to choose from in Cabin Christmas, whether it's the painted wood trees with the exclusive deer pattern. There are light-up cabins as well as lit glass orbs, again with the exclusive deer pattern. We've also done some tree wall decor, which I think can go in almost any setting. It doesn't necessarily have to be cabin because it's printed on linen and comes with a light wood beaded frame, which I think is just perfect. We've also got a little bit different format this year. These are looms, and they're printed as well as appliqued, again with that exclusive deer pattern, and I think they turned out really nice. Lots of tabletop. These particular tabletop pieces feature the deer in the little bit, again with the lighter colors, and that is Cabin Christmas.